Hey guys, and welcome to this quick, under 10 minutes yoga sequence that you can do every single morning to get the blood flowing, get your system going, activate the little gray cells inside of your head so that you can have a fantastic day without doing anything else for the rest of the morning. All right, so not going to waste your time. Like I said, it's under 10 minutes, so let's get to the front of the mat. All right, hands together. Nice breath here. Connect first with your breath. Always take this 30 seconds, 5 nice breaths. All right, you're going to breathe in, you're going to sweep the hands up. This time here, though, you're going to lean back, bring the hands together. You're going to breathe out, come forward. Hands on the mat, breathe in. Nice straight back look up. You can have it on the shins or on the knees, it's okay. Breathe out, come down, right foot back here. Extend nice and long. Get into this lunge. All right, hands on the mat, flat on the mat, left foot back. All right, now we go down. Here comes the fun part. So you're going to breathe in, down 3/4. Breathe out, push up. Breathe in and out. Breathe in, out. Breathe in, out. Breathe in, out. Come down towards the mat. Here we're going to come into up dog. If you can only do cobra, only do cobra. All right. Breathe out, roll down, push up into that downward facing dog. Walk it off here for a second. Right foot comes up, bend that knee. Right foot over on the left side first. Then you're going to breathe in, breathe out. Right foot comes forward to the front of the mat. Left foot comes forward. Breathing out. Breathing in, you're going to sweep the hands up. Back over your head. Breathing out. Sweeping down, breathing into prayer. All right. Breathe in, sweep backwards. Breathe out, fall forward. Breathe in, nice straight back. Breathe out, hands flat, left leg back. Nice and long here. Get into this lunge. Hands on the mat, right foot back. All right, 5 more times here. If you can't do it this way, drop the knees. Then breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Last one. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, calm down. All right, up dog. Breathing out, back down to the mat, tuck the toes, push up into that downward facing dog. All right, this time here. Left foot goes up, bend that knee, over onto the right side. Stay in this nice downward facing dog. Breathe in, breathe out. Left foot forward, right foot forward. Breathe out, coming down. Breathe in, sweep those hands up over your head. Breathing out, back down into prayer position. All right, round 2. Breathing in, hands up. Breathe out, fall forward. Breathe in, nice straight back. Breathing out, hands on the mat, right foot back, stay here. Breathe in, up, crescent lunge. So breathe in, breathe out, hands on the mat, left foot back. Here we go again. Breathing in, out. In, down 3/4, out, up. Down, up, down, up. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, down towards the mat. Continue to breathe in, up dog. Breathing out, come down, tuck the toes, push up into this downward facing dog. Walk it off. Right foot up, nice and straight behind you. Dig into it. And breathing in, right foot back. Nice, long back. Get into this lunge. Breathing in, bringing the left foot forward. Breathing out, nice and deep. Breathing in, sweep the hands up over your head, lean back. Breathing out, hands down. Breathing in. last round. Breathing in, sweep up. Breathing out, fall forward. Hands on the mat. Breathing in, nice straight back. Breathing out, hands down. This time here, left foot back. All right, so breathing in, coming up, crescent lunge. Oh yeah. Feel your heart rate going up. Try to slow down your breath. Try to catch it. Breathing in, breathing out. Hands on the mat. Right foot back. Here we go again, either on the knees or full. Breathing in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Breathing out, calm down. Breathing in, up dog. Oh yeah. Breathing out, coming back down, tucking the toes, push up, downward facing dog. Oh yeah. Whew. All right. Left foot goes up, nice and long, nice and high. Dig in. All right. Breathing out, left foot forward, nice long back into this lunge. Breathing in, right foot comes up. Breathing out, nice and deep down. Breathing in, sweep the hands up, back bend. Breathing out, hands come down into prayer. All right, here we go. Breathing in, hands come up. Breathing out, fall forward. Here, hands on the mat. So here you can walk both feet back or jump. All right, so here, coming down on the elbows. So here, belly button gets in towards the vertebrae. Pelvis comes down. Just stay. Nice and strong core. Don't forget to breathe. If it's that tough, smile a little bit. Smiling always helps. Put some of that dopamine in there. Bringing in the happy drug. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, come back up, full push up, push back, downward facing dog. All right, here, legs, knees spread out on the mat. Come into child's pose. Take a breath. Nice long back, push into those palms. Sitting right back on your heels. All right, walk the hands up, coming, sitting down. Breathe the knees together if you want. Hands either in prayer position or on your lap. Take a breath or two here just to relax. All right, guys, thank you for joining me today. Like I said, nice and quick, gets everything going, built-in strength, a little bit of flexibility, heart rate goes up, little gray cells get activated, and so does the blood get moving around in your body. All right, see you guys next time.